How you doing? This is Eric with Tameron Honda in Hoover. I wanted to thank you so much for your inquiry on that lovely Honda Odyssey SE. It's currently going through my reconditioning and detail process just to get ready just for your visit here with us. Give me a call as soon as you can. I would love to set some time aside for you to take a look at this vehicle before it leaves our lot. My number is 205-756-1005, or you can reach me by email at ejohnson@tameron.com. And here at Tameron Honda, we do business one way. That's the right way, and you're going to love the way you're treated.